Hello everyone. Um, this is a video that I thought I might do because I'm currently unpacking at my new house. And I came across my molecules from when I was in college. And one of the things that I did when I was in the paramedic program to help just put some tactical muscle memory to memorizing things was I would build our drugs out of these molecule sets. Just help me remember the things that would be on my drug cards. Because obviously we have a lot of drugs we need to know. So I thought that I would put this one together because it's one of the smaller ones. It is albuterol. This is what each little molecule of albuterol looks like. But interestingly, if you look at your albuterol packages and your Duoneb packages, they'll say 2.5/3 grams sometimes for the albuterol. And that's because this is pure albuterol right here, the way that I've built this. So each of these blacks is a carbon, the red is oxygen, the white is hydrogen, and this blue right here is a nitrogen. And we can see it's sort of a complicated organic structure. It's hard to get it to stay the way I want it to. The official name for this, we talked about in class how every medication technically has a chemical name. And I mentioned in the review session last night that for aspirin, it's acetylsalicylic acid. It's a relatively easy name to remember, to be completely honest, compared to some of the others. The chemical name for albuterol, which I had to write down to remember for doing this video, is alpha-1 tert-butylamino methyl 4-hydroxy-M xylene alpha-alpha prime diol. So I'm not going to go through how that name is built, but there's some hydroxys. Any of these oxygens with a hydrogen attached to them is a hydroxy. This nitrogen is an amino, and then this ring here is called xylene. Well, the ring itself is benzene, but part of this combination is xylene. Interestingly, we see this one piece on here that doesn't have anything bonded to it, this little thing. In this molecule set, this represents that there's a pair of electrons on this nitrogen that isn't attached to anything. The cool thing about that is a lot of our drugs come this way. They'll have these unpaired electrons sitting on them, and interesting chemistry thing, that tends to make them very